Good morning, children. So, what we have discussed now in the class, I wanted to explain you again because if you miss any point, you can cover it here. Okay. So, today our discussion was functions of plasma membrane. What? Functions of plasma membrane. So, what is plasma membrane? Plasma membrane is the outer layer of the animal cell and second layer of the plant cell, because outer layer of the plant cell will be cell wall. So all the animals, like all the animals, even we are also coming under animals. So we also have the plasma membrane as the outer layer. It protects all the cell contents which are present inside the cell. So let's see what is the main function, what are the main functions of plasma membrane. So coming to the first function, shape. So plasma membrane is embedded, like all the cell organelles, all the semi-fluid content known as cytoplasm is embedded in the cell, isn't it? But plasma membrane is giving the shape to that particular content. So plasma membrane helps in giving the shape to the cell. This is the first function. Next one, mechanical barrier. Plasma membrane acts as a mechanical barrier between cell and the environment, outer environment. For example, this is a cell. So this is a plasma membrane. So it will act as a barrier. What do you mean by barrier? It is allowing something to enter into the cell and it is allowing something to exit outside of the cell. See, allowing and exiting outside of the cell. So it is through what? It is through a mechanical barrier known as plasma membrane. So in this way, plasma membrane acts as a mechanical barrier. So next one is selective permeability. Plasma membranes are of 4 types, children. I already explained you. Impermeable membrane, permeable membrane, semi-permeable membrane, selectively permeable membrane. What is permeable membrane? Permeable membrane means the plasma membrane allows everything to come inside and exit out of the cell. What is impermeable membrane? It do not allow anything to enter, solvent or solute, whatever it is, it will not allow anything to enter and it will not allow anything to exit. That is impermeable. Semi-permeable is it will allow only solvent to enter into the cell, but it will never allow solutes to enter or exit, only solvent. When it is coming to selective permeability, it will allow only solvent and only selected solutes. That is very important. That is selective permeability. Most of the plasma membranes are selectively permeable in nature. So that's it. This is the third one. Coming to the fourth function of the plasma membrane, it is nothing but endocytosis. What do you mean by endocytosis? For example, we have an organism known as amoeba. So amoeba is a unicellular organism and it do not have specific shape like this. So it will engulf and get the food. In this way it will engulf itself, the body, and get the food. It will capture. For example, this is a food particle. So in this way, slowly what it will do, it will engulf like this. Slowly it will engulf. First it will engulf the food like this. Slowly it will take the food inside the body through the plasma membrane. This process is known as endocytosis. This is done through the plasma membrane only in the organism known as amoeba. Example for that. Next function is recognition. So what do you mean by recognition, children? Plasma membrane have attachment points or recognition centers attached to the plasma membrane. So these recognition centers are there on the plasma membrane. What is the main function of recognition center? It will help in the formation of tissues and it will also helps in the defense against microbes. And one more thing, it will help in the distinction of foreign particles. What are foreign particles? Other harmful particles or other particles which are not our body particles. So from those all things, recognition will help us, which are present on the plasma membrane. This is about recognition. Coming to the next one, this is flow of information. Plasma membrane helps in the flow of information. All the cells of the plasma membrane, all the plasma membranes are attached together. So one plasma membrane of one cell will flow the information, give the information to the other cell. So eventually what happens, all the cells of the same organism gets the information through the plasma membrane. So in this way there will be a flow of information. Next one, seventh one is osmosis. What do you mean by osmosis? Movement of molecules or substances of solvents from less concentration to the high concentration through plasma membrane is known as osmosis. So why osmosis is done in plasma membrane? Because it has some tiny water channels. So tiny water channels are present in the plasma membrane. Next one is cell continuity. What do you mean by cell continuity? So all the cells are arranged in this way, right children? Wait, I'll show you. So all the cells are arranged in this way. So all the cells, group of cells form one tissue, I said. So this plasma membrane is attached to the adjacent plasma membrane. This forms plasmodesmata and this is known as a cell junction. So this plasma membrane helps in the cell continuity. That is nothing but cell continuity. That is also one of the function of plasma membrane. Next one, last one is specialization. So plasma membrane modifies itself to perform different functions. For example, absorption of microvilli. Where microvilli are present? It is present in the small intestine. So microvilli helps in the increase of surface area of absorption. So this is covered by plasma membrane and there is no cellular extension in it and there are no cell organelles also in it. So this plasma membrane specifies itself and functions differently in microvilli. That is nothing but specialization. So these are the brief account of all the plasma membrane children, all the functions of plasma membrane. Once again I wanted to say you first one is shape, plasma membrane functions, mechanical barrier, selective permeability, endocytosis, recognition, flow of information, osmosis, cell continuity and specialization. So these are the functions of plasma membrane. So today's task is open your classworks and write down the question. Write a brief notes on the functions of plasma membrane. I hope you all understood. Thank you.